We are now going to close the same incision using a continuous suture technique. Insert the first suture as before at right angles to the skin edge and ligate this using a standard reef knot. However, in this situation, just cut the short end and hand the long end of the suture to your assistant, who will follow you during this procedure. The second suture is put in a standard manner as before, and then the suture snugged down and handed to your assistant. Here comes the third suture, the distance apart being exactly the same as for interrupted sutures. Work along the wound each time ensuring the same tension, and then hand it to your assistant who maintains that tension. Work along the wound, ensuring equal distance between the sutures to ensure the same tension down the whole length of the incision. After the final suture has been inserted, leave one loop long and then ligate using a standard reef knot technique. Once this has been tied, you're in a position to cut both ends of the suture material.